If your skin has been looking dull, dry, or tired lately, today's routine might be exactly what you need. I'm testing three skincare products that promise hydration, glow, and healthier looking skin, and I'll show you how I use them step by step. I'm starting with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. And this is always my first step because serums are designed to deliver concentrated ingredients directly to your skin before moisturizing. All right, listen up. One of the standout ingredients in the serum is niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3. Niacinamide is loved in skincare because it can help improve the appearance of uneven skin tone, minimize the look of enlarged pores, and support your skin's natural barrier. The serum also contains hyaluronic acid, which helps attract moisture to the skin, making it feel plump and hydrated, along with watermelon extract that gives it that refreshing feel. I like applying 1 to 2 pumps onto my fingertips before gently pressing it in. I take my time and pat it into the skin so it absorbs evenly. Right away, my skin starts looking brighter and more dewy without feeling sticky or greasy. If you're someone who loves that fresh glass skin look, this step creates a beautiful base. Now that my serum has absorbed, it's time to lock in all the hydration with the Glow Recipe Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream. To all my beginners in skincare, this video is genuinely for you. Here is somewhere that you can start. I think it's really important as a creator for me to show you guys all of the tricks and tips that I use for my personal skin to achieve flawless skin. Okay, it is very simple and easy. You don't have to be overly prepared and organized to start having a really beautiful, simple, easy skincare routine. Okay, it really just takes persistence and it just takes the right education and knowing what's going to work well and what's not going to work well for your skin. I highly recommend Glow Recipe. This is not sponsored. This is my personal review because I personally use their products. So I can give an attestation to them. If you are new to skincare, if you are a beginner to skincare, if you like glass skin, this is where you should start. Glow Recipe. I do have another video if you guys subscribe to my channel for other steps that you can use for your skincare, but here is the beginning. Now, let's get to that Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream. Moisturizer is one of the most important steps in any skincare routine because it helps prevent moisture from escaping while keeping your skin barrier healthy. A healthy skin barrier is essential if you want soft, smooth, and comfortable skin. What I really enjoy about this moisturizer is how lightweight it feels. Even when it gives my skin plenty of hydration, it never feels heavy. It contains ingredients like banana, cica, turmeric, and magnesium, which are included to help comfort the skin and leave it feeling nourished. I only need a small amount, and I gently massage it over my face and neck. As soon as it's on, my skin feels softer, smoother, and even more hydrated. I also love that it layers beautifully over the dewdrops without spilling, which isn't always the case when combining skincare products. One technique that I use is just literally dipping my finger inside the cream, and make sure your fingers are clean. Okay, dip your finger inside the cream and just like do like pointillism, like point around your face, leaving little dots, and then massage it in like that. And I think it just adds to the whole entire atmosphere of you doing your skincare. I don't think it changes anything because you can easily just put a big blob on your face and massage it in. But for me, it's like, well, I'm gonna do dot 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 so I can massage it in. And it also helps to spread the lotion more so you're not using more and you're using less. So those are like my reasons. Those are the reasons why I do what I do. Okay. I feel like a lot of creators out here be doing the most, and it's like, no, I'm not trying to do that. I'm actually giving you guys a glimpse of how I apply my skincare in a practical way. Okay, now let's move on to the lip moisture. The final step in my routine is giving my lips some attention with the Glow Recipe Glass Balm Banana Milk Lip Treatment. I think lip care is often forgotten during skincare routines, but our lips need hydration too, okay? This balm contains ingredients like ceramides and hyaluronic acid to help moisturize the lips while leaving behind a beautiful glossy finish. It feels lightweight, comfortable, and instantly makes my lips look healthier without feeling sticky. I love ending my routine with a lip treatment because it pulls everything together and gives me that polished, fresh face look. Now that my entire routine is finished, my skin feels hydrated, looks healthy, and has that natural glow that I love. One thing I appreciate about this routine is that it's simple. You don't always need a shelf full of products to build an effective skincare routine, okay, y'all? Remember that. Sometimes choosing products that focus on hydration and supporting your skin is exactly what your skin needs, okay? Simple is the cure, okay? If you're trying to achieve glowing skin, remember that consistency is just as important as the products you use. Cleansing your skin, applying a hydrating serum, following with a moisturizer, and protecting your skin with sunscreen during the day. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.